Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today, let me turn the radio off. Okay, I'm turning the radio off at least. And we have this Lexus. Sometimes the check engine light come on, sometimes doesn't come on. Before we go crazy, we need to check and see what is the problem on this car. They have a camshaft coat. You drive the car, it come. Sometimes it appears, sometimes it disappear. So I'm gonna go to diagnose. I go to VIN number, auto detect. This time I just want to check the VIN number. Okay, I did not connect it. Oh, I gotta go cancel. I gotta go to VCI and connect this one. It's not there. So this one I supposed to unpair it. Then I will look for another one. Scan. If I can get a device, maybe this one here. Pairing. If I paired, now it's paired. So I go back. Now you see here it's coming green. I gotta go by VIN number. Lexus Asian. Say okay. Laser cruise with memory seat, yes. With rain sensor. 2007 Lexus. All I need is to get the diagnose, control unit, engine. Say okay. Okay. P0368. Okay, I gotta look at it now.
Circuit, some B circuit, high input bank 1.
Yeah, currently on history B3, camshaft position sensor, B, circuit bank 1, yeah. So now I'm gonna look for that one here. 2007 Lexus RX350? 350?
07.
P03.
Changed on Friday.
No, I know, but before that happened, do you do any repair? Like tune-up or anything?
No tune-up or nothing. Like it's been coming on and off for a while, and few months. So when I first was getting a sensor thing on here, and I took it to a shop, they read it, but that was my oxygen sensor.
Okay.
So they changed the oxygen sensor. So 2 days after they changed the oxygen sensor, that thing was coming up again. So the guy said to me, so by the time I drive back to him to show him, it disappeared.
But that's not the reason they changed the sensor. Before, the only oxygen sensor, they work on it. You have oxygen sensor only.
Right.
And after they work on it in the back there, this thing happened.
I guess, yes.
So what I want to do is here.
And then what Junior said to me when he was looking in there, both people tell me I had rats.
Yeah.
So MC thing with rats. So I had told my landlord, because I park in the garage, about the rat situation. But the other guy was telling me, oh, you didn't have to change the sensor right now. As long as it's coming and going, it's all right. It's just a sensor. But then it keep happening, so now everything is on. So I don't know when something is good, when something is bad.
What I want to do is first I need to get a pigtail, a wiring harness to put it standby in case wire broke. The pigtail, the connector. We're gonna buy that one just in case we reach there and we see something no good. We change the wire harness, and we look at it around we can keep the wire harness without replacing it, but in case we go there and we found it broke or anything, we have to put it back. I don't want to go open everything there and we see a wire harness just need to be replaced, for example, and we don't have the wire harness and we have to close the whole car again and start all over. It doesn't make sense. So let me get the connector for it first, have it here standby, and then you bring the car, cool it down, open it, go in there, verify the wire. If they are good or if any mouse or rat eat the wire, we fix it.
And if they do that, my insurance said if it's a mice or something, then we'll pay a fee.
Yeah, we're gonna look at it, we take a pictures if anything like that, and we approve it that look, this is, if not, wire dry or anything. But we're not gonna take it now, open everything, and we don't have anything in our hand, because the harness, if we don't have it, it may take a couple of days before it comes. So it's better I give you the car, you drive. When we get the harness, we keep it with us. You bring the car while it's cooled down, we open everything, look at it, and we put it back. If you need a fix, we fix it, because you already put a new sensor there. So I don't want to open it again just to look at it and, oh, let me change the wire, and the wire, we don't have nothing in it.
You don't have no
Okay?
wire.
So makes sense, right? Let me close it.
So how long does it take?
I gotta take the car information now and see how long I get the picture.
So if you have to change it, how long is that gonna be?
We don't know. I gotta look at it first. Okay, so we're gonna get some information about this wire harness and the sensor. The sensor is already replaced. Then we're gonna do the repair and see what the result. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share, and like.